How to get token in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to get token in Monopoly Go. So in that case, you have to first of all go ahead and open up your Monopoly application. And when you open it up, then it's going to take you to this page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and log into your account. And when you're logged into your account, go ahead and press on album. So when you press on album, then you'll be able to see lots of stickers. So basically, to collect stickers, you have to play the game. In my case, I'm unable to do it so because I haven't reached to 15 level or level 15. In order to unlock it, I have to reach to 15. When you have collected all the stickers, then you'll receive a token that is a hammer token. And likewise, the other alternative or to other method of getting token is that tap on the trap bar icon from the top right, and then you'll be able to see this daily treats. And when you play the game for 7 consecutive days, then you'll be able to receive a token as a cat. So in that way, you could go and get token in Monopoly Go. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.